Valuable Hotel Hacks, Part 1. We like hotels because they relieve some of our stress. After a long flight or a day of exploring, we can kick our feet up and not have to run the house. Thankfully, there are some simple things you can do to improve your stay without putting in a lot of work or spending a lot of money. Here are some clever hotel hacks that every traveler should be aware of, from money-saving advice to do-it-yourself fixes. Put an end to third-party booking websites. Avoid using third-party websites like Booking.com or Hotels.com and try making a direct hotel reservation instead. Since they won't have to pay these booking services a commission, most hotels are more than pleased to provide the greatest offers to visitors who book directly with them. Don't be afraid to inform the hotel about important events. Be sure to let the hotel know if it's your birthday, graduation, honeymoon, or wedding anniversary. When making an online reservation, include a remark in the comments section or mention it while making a phone reservation. There's a good chance you'll receive a free room upgrade or a unique gift, like a bottle of champagne. The hotel's main goal is to make your stay particularly memorable, so you will tell your friends and family about it. Do not leave any toiletries behind. You may not be able to take the hotel's linens or bathrobes, but you may take the miniature soaps and bottles of shampoo, conditioner, hand cream, and lotion. Take as many as you can without hesitation. Even if they don't appear on your account, you've already paid for them. These will undoubtedly be useful for lengthy plane travels, sleepovers, and camping vacations even if you don't use them straight away. Also, you can put them in tiny bags and give them to the needy. After a lengthy flight, keep the lights off. You can find yourself nodding asleep in the middle of the day if you're jet-lagged. No matter how worn out you are, it could be difficult to catch up on sleep if your hotel room has drapes that always seem to have a gap in the middle. To fix this, take a few hangers out of the closet and use the bottom clamps to tightly close the curtains. Never again will you have to be concerned about uninvited light entering your room. Make use of your space. Check the closet for an ironing board if your bedroom is too small to accommodate all of your personal belongings. Try asking the staff at the front desk if one can be sent to your room if there isn't one. You can use the ironing board as a desk or a dining table in addition to using it as an extra shelf. Just keep in mind to use a cloth to cover the ironing board to prevent stains. Use the laundry bag effectively. Laundry bags are available in each room because many hotels offer a laundry service to their visitors. However, why not use the laundry bags for anything else if you're not going to use your hotel's laundry service? You may segregate your filthy clothes from your clean ones in your suitcase by using the wash bag. Also, you may use it as a trash bag to keep your car tidy throughout the exhausting drive home or to store snacks. Separate your shoes from the rest of your belongings. Imagine yourself preparing your baggage for your upcoming journey in your hotel room when, to your dismay, you find you have nowhere to put your soiled pair of shoes. The shops are all closed because it is late at night. How do you behave? The solution is very easy. Search for an unworn shower cap in the restroom. Simply place the shower cap over the bottoms of your shoes, pack the rest of your belongings in your luggage, and you're ready to go. Plastic wrap the remote control. There's always a chance that cleaners will skimp because there are so many rooms to check over each day. No matter how clean your room appears to be, there will always be objects and regions that are contaminated with germs and bacteria. One object that gets very little disinfection is the remote control. Just consider how frequently you clean your home remote control. Put the remote control in a clear plastic bag to lower your risk of getting sick. Use bandages to childproof your space. Regrettably, newborns and young children are not typically taken into account when designing hotel rooms. It could be a good idea to carry some bandages in your suitcase if you're traveling with young children so you can use them to childproof your hotel room. To protect your kids from electrocution, cover any open electrical outlets with band-aids. They can also be used to keep extension cords and electrical wires fastened down so that your kids won't trip over them and get hurt. Have a peaceful and secure night's sleep. The most crucial aspect of traveling, especially for anyone going alone, is safety. You may rest easy on your trip thanks to this easy hack utilizing a hand towel, which will make it hard for anyone to pick your lock. Place a towel between the door's latch lock and the door. This will make it impossible to pick the lock and prohibit anyone from even trying to open the door a crack. The hand towel was fastened with a hair tie so it wouldn't fall from the door by this individual. Butter can be defrosted using the toaster's heat. It can be annoying to have cold, hard butter served to you for breakfast. If you try to spread the butter, the bread will either tear or you'll get toast with a big chunk of butter in the center. Try placing the little packs of butter on top of the toaster as you warm your bread to prevent this from happening. The butter will begin to melt and become easier to spread thanks to the toaster's heat. Use the shower to steam clothes. Your garments will crease if you try to pack them all in your suitcase. Whether you're going for a crucial business meeting or attending a wedding and want to look your best, this might be very inconvenient. Simply hang your clothing in the bathroom while taking a hot shower to get rid of the wrinkles. Most of those wrinkles, if not all of them, can be quickly removed with the help of all that steam. Keep your toothbrush away from the sink's counter. Why would you even consider leaving your toothbrushes on the bathroom counter in a hotel room when you probably wouldn't do that at home? Consider using this easy trick to keep your toothbrush germ-free. To make a temporary toothbrush holder, just turn a paper or plastic cup upside down and make a hole in the center with the toothbrush handle. The toothbrush bristles contacting the countertop are no longer a concern. Your wet swimwear should be kept in ice bucket bags. If the hotel where you are staying has a pool, you'll probably use it at least once. Are you simply going to throw your wet swimwear into your luggage and run the danger of getting your other garments wet when it comes time to pack your bags? Put your wet swimwear inside the plastic bag in the ice bucket if you want to keep your clothing and other personal goods dry. Before putting the bag in your luggage, make sure the top is securely fastened. Keep your phone from dying. Don't freak out if you forgot your phone charger at home. Simply connect your phone's USB cord to the TV's USB port in your hotel room if you have one with you. The majority of modern smart TVs have one. Try stopping by the front desk to see if they can lend you a charger if this isn't an option. You can probably borrow a ton of chargers from the lost and found, where they most likely have them. Keep yourself cool. Reroute the air coming from the air conditioner. Try relocating some furniture if the air conditioner in your hotel room is too close to the bed and you don't want chilly air blowing directly on your body or face as you sleep. To reroute the airflow, try setting a strong chair directly in front of the AC vent in your room. Other items like a couch, an ironing board, or a piece of luggage can also be used for this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.